Alright, long time no see. Another long form naman tayo ngayon. So, string review tayo today sa ating bagong string. Actually, it's not a new string. I've been using this for a long time na. Pero ngayon lang ulit tayo babalik. Which is ito. Pirastro Violino. So, hindi ko na maalala pero I really had a great time using this set of strings. Pero I'm not sure, parang di ko pa siya nagamit dito sa violin ko na to. Kasi the first time I used this was around 2017. Iba pa yung instrument ko nun. So ngayon, ilalagay natin siya. And I'll do a quick first impressions based on my instrument. And of course, based on the quality of this set of strings by Pirastro. Okay? Nga pala, kay ano ko to binili, Shan Yun. So shoutout sa'yo. And ayan, check nyo na lang yung mga pages nila, Facebook page. I don't know kung may iba pa silang platform right now, but you can check it out. Ayan. So, kakapit ko muna, and then babalikan ko kayo. We'll do a little bit of a play test, and hopefully, makita natin kung gaano siya kaganda. Alright, napalitan ko na, and nagsettle na rin yung strings. Kung nanood yun ng TikTok live, ayun, narinig nyo siya unang. So medyo nagsettle na, I think more or less mahigit 30 minutes na. So ito, yung Pirastro Violino, explain na natin. So blue and black. So para siyang obligato pero blue. Ganon. Ayan yung colors ng ating dulo. E, A, D, G. So, right off the bat, alam ko naman na yung i-expect ko dito. No? Very, actually, warm sounding siya. Pero, for me, yung projection niya okay naman. Hindi siya kasing warm ng obligato. Okay? So, it's a step down. So, it's a little bit bright, no? Maganda siya sa mga bright na instrument talaga. So, ito yung sound niya. So, it's not too piercing, hindi din ganun ka-metallic, no? So, the G strings and D string is synthetic core with winding niya is silver. A string is aluminum and E is steel. Okay? So, overall, maganda talaga. Para sa akin, maganda siya sa instrument ko. So, I think this is, hindi ko alam kung first time ko siya ilalagay dito. Pero, ayan. So, first impressions, I like the projection. Yung tone quality niya, nandun tayo sa medyo warm sounding, smooth sounding. No? Hindi siya piercing. No? Siguro, mas maganda to blend with the chamber group. Ganyan. I don't think you could use this for solo. I mean, pwede naman. Pero kung a large group orchestra, ganyan. Siyempre, soloist strings dapat ang gagamitin mo. Pero if you're playing with a group, no, chamber music, mas madali kang mag-melt in sa group mo kung ito yung ginagamit mo. Okay, for its price of around 2,600, kay Shan Yun ko siya nabili, parang hindi nagbago yung presyo na. So, lahat tumaas na, di ba? I still remember buying this off of a store at around 2,500, if I'm not mistaken. Eh, yung Tonica ngayon, nasa ganun na yung pricing, di ba? Tapos Dominance, nung time na yun, was around 2,500. So, nasa 2,500 na rin yung Violino. Not sure kung pangit ba siya, but I don't hear a lot about this. Not a lot of people or stores carry this here in the Philippines. Pero sa ibang bansa, madami na nag-carry ng Violino. So, overall, kung value for money, this is quite good. Kasi nga, hindi pa rin tumataas yung pricing niya. So, yun. So, hindi ganun ka-powerful, no? But I think sa projection-wise, kaya mo namang kontrolin yun. Pero, it's not the most powerful strings. Hindi ka wow, no? Comparing it to soloist strings. Of course, magkaiba sila ng use case, no? And for me, I do a lot of chamber music right now. Pero, I think kaya naman itong makipagsabayan if you do like piano, violin, no? Or mga sonatas, ganyan. Wala namang magiging problema doon. So, again, value for money, it's around 2,600 pesos. With everything talagang tumataas, diba? With inflation and all. If you can get your hands on this, pwede mo na rin siyang gawing daily na strings, no? Hindi na pang off-season maybe. Ayan. So, pwedeng gano'n. So, again, I'm coming from dominant pros, which are very, very powerful. No, comparing it to this. Pero yung mellower sound nito and the ability to, you know, just create different colors. Mas madali kulayan para sa akin kasi yung warm sounding na strings comparing it to brighter sounding, no? Kasi iba rin yung magiging projection. And for me, at this point, ma-recommend ko sa inyo. Again, price is really cheap, no? If you think about all the product lines of Pirastro, lahat tumaas na din. I don't know why, no? Kung bakit hindi masyado mataas. Baka hindi nga siya mabenta masyado. Dahil it's not really exposed. Marami siyang katulad kasi. So, some people would opt for obligatos. Pero kasi ang laki na ng price difference nila. I think double na. Almost 1.5 or 2.5 times na yung pricing nila, difference nila. So, if you're on a budget and you wanna try out good quality strings and, you know, you just want to be able to experience something different, no? Not saying na this would be for everyone then, no? Because again, it's a different beast or animal to tame warm sounding strings. Mahirap siyang palabasin, no? So, yan. Yung sound sample. And, you know, the G string is a little bit powerful. Kaya naman niya makipagsabayan. And all the other strings naman. So, I will test this out tomorrow. So, may event ako. So, isasama ko rin dito sa vlog na to. Just follow up. Para mas comprehensive yung ating maging review. So, abangan nyo bukas or later. Para makita natin. And I'll give my final verdicts on tomorrow's event. Okay guys, dito kayo ngayon ako sa Makati Shangri La. Testingin natin ito. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. nakauwi na ako. Tapos na yung gig namin. And ayun yung sound niya, no. So, masasabi ko, final verdict, no. Ang ganda ng tuning stability ng violino. Kasi kahit nasabihin natin na wala ako sa tono, kasi kahapon nga lang ako nagpalit, no. Hindi siya ganun kalayo, madali siya ibalik. So, stable na siya within 24 hours. Less than actually, kasi gabi na rin ako nagpalit, 'di ba? Aside doon, maganda yung response niya, no? I do feel na medyo hindi ako litaw na litaw compared sa soloist level strings. But again, if you are playing with a group, no, mas maganda mag-blend, no? If I want to project more, I would need to give more, no? Sa ibang aspect ako babawi. Hindi siya yung lagi kang litaw kahit anong gawin mo. But of course, it's a value for money strings, no? And again, for 2,600 pesos at this economy, mura na siya, no? And we will just wait for durabilities, no? Titingnan natin gaano katagal yung buhay niya. Kapag ba hindi siya nagamit, is mabilis din masira. But overall, I'm satisfied with this first impression review of the Pirastro Violino. Oops. Oh, and dito pa yung niya, mga laman. Itatapon ko pa lang. And yeah, so this is a long form content. Matagal na tayo hindi nakakapag-string review. But stay tuned, no? May mga bago tayong i-review na strings from different companies, different string brands, hopefully soon, no? And yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to drop a like, comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo makita. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my socials. All the links you need down in the description box below. And I will see you on the next one.